Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can block unsaved contact or unknown contact from calling you in your phone. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to get in the contact in your Android device. Then you need to get the settings option of your contact, which can be either in the upper right hand side, or in the upper left hand side of your contact interface. Then you need to come to where we have block. Then what we shall do, we shall follow the filter rules. We can block numbers not in our contact by turning on this option. And also we can block unknown or hidden number, so nobody can contact you with a private number. You can turn on. So when you turn on this option, anybody who you have not saved will not be able to receive calls and messages. So this is so dangerous in case you have some private numbers or some unknown contacts which you have not saved, which usually calls you, because when you turn on this option, private unsaved numbers or unknown numbers will not be able to call you, and when they call you, that call will be terminated. So in my case, I don't have the need of blocking these numbers. I'm always good. I have not exposed my number, so I can just turn off the options. But in case you wanted it, just turn on the option and the option will be turned on, and it will avoid a lot of harassment originating from unknown calls. So thank you for watching and God bless you.